Hi there, it's Mark here again, and today I've come round to Rob's place and he's asked me to give him a hand unboxing his new kitty. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. Here you go. I hope you're getting that because I can't see through the lens finder here, but anyway, this is Rob's lovely new kit. He's bought the Grasshopper II and yeah, he said can he come round and give us a hand, but he's just nipped out to make a cup of coffee. So what, shall we just unbox it without him? That'd be lovely.
What's going on?
Hey, what you doing? You said you were going to make a coffee. That was a bit quick, wasn't it, mate?
Yeah, well, I heard something.
Well, I thought we'd get this show on the road, mate.
Right.
I hope you don't mind.
Well, it's so late now, isn't
I
it?
wasn't trying to steal your glory or anything. I've already told him, Rob, that you've got this. I pointed out that the Grasshopper II Black Edition.
Yeah.
Shall we? I'll tell you what then. As soon as you're back, shall I just hold the camera like I normally do?
Yeah, go on then.
All right then, mate. Get on with it.
Right. Let's get the lid off then.
Sorry about that, mate. Well, so why you bought this then, Rob? Well, the fact it's a Tamiya for a start.
Well, yeah, it's a Tamiya, and I've not really got, shall we say, a decent hopper.
A decent hopper. I've
Yeah.
heard that. It's a, yeah. That's an analogy for it's not coming off, is it, son?
It's not.
Come on, son, you can get it up.
Oh, there we go.
There you
Are
go.
you ready?
Yeah, give it a pull. Ah, and the other thing is, Rob, we're both big Tamiya fans
We are.
and have been since the 80s, and neither of us had a bloody Grasshopper.
We didn't.
What's going on there? How have we missed out? Do you know what? I think I might have to get one, mightn't I now? I can't let you have one on your own,
No,
can I?
That's it.
Well,
Especially when you see, I've taken everything out of the plastic.
oh, you
bags
have. I was
as
going to
well.
say, is this some kind of eco thing from Tamiya, but it's not,
No,
is it?
it's not.
Do you know, I think they actually should, don't you, really?
I think they should.
All that
Yeah, I
bloody
can't
plastic.
understand it myself.
But, yeah, there's not that much in there, but then again, it's not that expensive, is it?
It's not. This one was supposedly
Yeah,
on sale
yeah,
at Model Sport for
Yeah.
£99.
yeah.
But to be honest,
£99?
while I was contemplating and trying to justify spending the money, I'd seen it on their site for 99 quid anyway, so I don't know what they'd get in
That's it. But it does come with a few little extras, doesn't it?
It does.
You don't have to paint it, do you? Because it's
No,
black.
not if you don't want to.
And some oil shocks in there or something.
It's got, yeah, a TBLE 04 it's come with,
All right, cool.
and you get obviously the parts bags up to parts bag D, and there we go. We've got
right.
the oil shocks,
And that's for all four, not just for the rear.
all four,
Nice one.
and they're grey, not
yeah.
black.
That's like off the what's that one I got? What's that one I got, Rob? That hopper. DTO1.
Yeah, the
Racing,
No.
fighter buggy, fighter, something like that.
Memorial.
Memorial. That's the one. Yeah, they're the same shocks. That only took 10 minutes. Didn't it?
Yeah.
The fighter buggy memorial, is it? I don't know.
Yeah, that sounds about
so.
right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It might be completely wrong.
I
but
could be
something
wrong.
like that.
I'll have to check out on my channel. I
Yeah,
forget.
so-
I've got that many Tamiyas.
Lots
Anyway.
of shock stuff.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to be doing an unboxing,
We are,
everybody.
aren't we? The only bad thing, as far as I'm concerned, is
I can't even get it. I haven't got it in shot, my Robert, when it is. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no, mate, you can't use that.
no, that's fine.
Oh, it's gone in the bin, guys.
So we've
Yeah, my
got
favourite.
a spare torque tuned
Well, seeing as my other car, that other one I've got.
fighter buggy memorial.
No, not
doobie
that one, not
thing.
that one.
Oh,
The Kyosho Scorpion with that
yes.
motor went 25 mile an hour, didn't it?
it did.
Let's see if we can get this one going
Yeah.
as fast. That'd be interesting, wouldn't it?
Well, because the instructions tell you need an 18-tooth pinion gear,
Right.
because that Poxy 380 or whatever it is,
Oh, it's got a brass one
it's
stuck
got a
on
brass
it, hasn't it?
one stuck on it that's really small, so I've got one of them to go with it.
Right.
Somewhere here as well, we've got the obligatory bearings.
Oh, nice one.
Not that many.
They
but,
don't come with it though, do they, mate?
No.
Right.
I've got to order them separately.
Come on, Tamiya.
And then
Oh, I know what you're going to do now.
I'm just going to get them out of the bag.
You're not going to just get them out of the bag. I know what you're going to do.
Ooh,
Come
dear,
on,
they're
son.
a bit stiff.
Ooh.
For now, for now.
Cool. Ooh.
Oh no, I can't smell anything.
You're joking? Let me have a go.
It must be the
Hang on.
big
Oh,
ones.
they're nice in the bag. Give them ones a sniff, mate.
Oh yeah, that's much better.
Oh, get it, Phil.
That's my drug of choice, mate.
Oh, should we get this stuff out of that box? We're not doing a very good
Get
job.
in the driver.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah,
What's that?
steering stuff.
You're wobbling around too fast, mate. I can't see anything.
I'm trying to speed up, mate.
Okay. I can't stop that, mate.
We've got the servo saver,
Yep. Oh, yeah. Need one of them.
bumper,
Yep.
and diff gears, and probably pinion. Sorry, what's that one? Spur. That's the
Spur. Don't
one.
forget the spur. Come on, son. You were running up.
Yes. Chassis.
Very nice and wobbly. Yep.
Yeah.
No rigidity in that
No.
thing really at all, is there?
Lovely black body.
Yeah, I do like that.
It is a nice one, which is why I went for the Grasshopper instead of some of the other hoppers.
I like the black wheels as well.
The black wheels, I think, are superb.
Yeah, very nice.
They're sort of like gunmetal grey, aren't
Yeah,
they?
yeah.
When you get them out in the...
Excuse me, you can cut that out. What else we got, son?
Just a couple of other chassis bits and suspension-y bits.
You won't be using some of these? Are these the original shock things that
I think they
will
are,
just
them
springy
ones.
bits?
Yeah,
You won't
and
need
these.
them, will you?
No.
So yeah, spare parts.
And front wheels.
Yep. Very nice.
And the diff housing gearboxy
Standard
Thingy
across the
dooby.
range, them things, aren't they?
and the weird wheel hubs.
Yep. Do you use those on this one, or do you use hexes? I don't. Have a look at the wheel. Look at the wheel. No,
That's the front one.
it, mate. Oh yeah, you will be using them.
yeah.
Look, yeah, they've got those holes for them. The little four pins. Yeah.
There's a 5. So there must be different ones.
Oh. There he is. Oh yeah, them are the ones.
Them will
There
be
you
the
go.
ones.
Cool,
Right.
confused us then.
Yeah.
Come on then. Time for Emmanuel.
Right. Well,
We've seen the 04S
we've got
TBLE.
a basic stock Grasshopper II
Right.
manual installer guide, but with the addition of this sheet,
Oh, I see.
because we've got the CVA shocks, so it's slightly different on the install.
What a bunch of cheapskates, Tamiya, aren't it?
Yeah.
Could have done a separate manual. Come on, guys. Dear oh dear. But yeah, okay.
And then the other side is sticking the decals on.
Sticking it- It does say to paint it black, doesn't it?
Probably
I
does,
think,
yeah,
but
somewhere.
I wouldn't bother doing that, Rob.
Yeah, TS14.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, I'm not doing that.
First time it rolls over, you'll cry
Yeah.
if you do that, so
That's it.
no point.
No. So that's that. And then we've got these lovely, I think, different
No, different coloured stickers.
coloured stickers, yeah, for the black version.
Does that's not on the original, is it? I'm hopping mad. Oh, I don't think
I
so.
don't know.
Not on the original car.
It's on the back there that it goes.
Oh, it is. Apparently.
On the blue, on the ordinary
On
one.
the standard one, yeah. Oh, I was wrong. I just don't
Yeah,
remember seeing
yeah.
that.
It's one of those things, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can't see everything straight off. So, I think with that,
Oh well, without us
That's
messing
about
around,
it.
that would have been a real fast unboxing,
Yeah.
wouldn't it? But hey, hopefully you'll be able to see this thing coming together soon. Shouldn't take you too long to build, should it, Rob?
no, not really.
Right then, I'm just going to pan out for you to say ta-ra.
See you later. Thanks for watching.
Catch you next time. You're mad.